Hello and welcome to Waterdrop's YouTube channel. We are your hosts Ilgin
and Jeannie. It's another day of our Countdown to Christmas series, which means we are one day closer to Christmas.
Don't forget to watch this video until the end, because today we obviously have another question for you, and one of you who answers the question will get a very lovely surprise package from us.
In today's video, we want to share a few tips with you on how you can make Christmas or the holidays in general more sustainable. But before we do this, make sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss any future uploads.
Let's get started with our first tip. That will be to avoid using glitter or the tinsels on your Christmas tree, like we have one in here.
Exactly, because conventional glitter is almost not recyclable due to its material composition, but nowadays there's actually a lot of vegan, biodegradable options out there which you can still use to make your Christmas tree sparkle a little bit.
Our second tip is to buy food from the right sources. In this case, buy it locally whenever you can, and buy it bio whenever you can.
It's also very good to buy especially fruits and vegetables seasonally. So pumpkins are in season now, a lot of fruits like apples and pears. And also if you do eat meat, it's very important to get it from a reliable source.
Our third tip will be to reuse your decorations on your Christmas tree. You don't have to buy new ones every single year, but you can just pack them back and put it under your bed or put it into your closet and you can reuse them for many years.
Exactly. It's more sustainable to buy timeless pieces that you can use every year instead of buying new stuff every time something new comes out. I know it's very tempting in the windows when there's new glittery stuff to be purchased and put on your tree, but it's definitely not the most sustainable thing to do.
Tip number 4 will be actually avoiding to buy too much stuff. It can be for yourself during the Christmas season or for others as well. What we have been doing in my private life is that we ask each other what we really need.
Yeah.
And if it's for example, a bigger piece and so on, a couple of people within the family can get together and purchase the thing that's really needed by this person, instead of buying things that maybe you don't need but you also want to keep and because it's a present. Number 5 would be actually, instead of buying products, you can sometimes gift experiences to those people. You can maybe buy a concert ticket to their favorite singer, or a museum ticket, or different things. For example, now in Vienna there is this Illusions Museum, which I feel like that will make a great gift.
For sure.
And then it's an experience you can share with each other, and
maybe a couples massage, spa day coupon, something we definitely all need during the holidays. Yeah,
definitely. Another tip will be to go actually battery free whenever you can and purchase toys that don't require batteries.
Because batteries are usually ending up in a landfill where they can leak very dangerous chemicals into the natural wildlife or into the water, so it's very bad for the environment.
Another tip will be a rather cute one. You could actually adopt an animal or a plant in the name of the receiver.
Maybe you can plant a tree in the name of the receiver. You can adopt a panda or an endangered animal in general. There are a lot of organizations that offer a membership or a one-time adoption, so you can give something very meaningful to your loved ones.
But that doesn't mean that you actually bring the panda home.
Yeah. Unfortunately, you cannot do that.
We know that it's a Christmas season. It's the season that we love gifting, but maybe instead of gifting every single person within your family or at work, you can actually try doing Secret Santa.
That's super cool. If you have a big family, a big group of friends, instead of buying everyone a gift, you can do a little Secret Santa exchange. So it's a fun activity to do, and you can buy a really cool gift for someone you love.
Alright, thank you very much for joining us in today's video. We are very excited to share different kind of videos with every single day. But now, let's get to another fun part with today's question.
The giveaway question. What is something you do during the holidays to be more sustainable? Make sure to tell us in the comments down below for the chance to win one of our surprise holiday packages.
All packages are made by us too, yours truly, and they will be shipped directly from us in the office to you.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope to see you in tomorrow's video again, and don't forget to drink more water. Bye!
Bye!